Welcome to our guide on switching from Android to iPhone in 2025. Whether you're seeking better features or a new experience, we have everything you need to know. Let's explore the key reasons why many users are making the switch to iPhone. Seamless integration with other Apple devices, better privacy controls, and a user-friendly interface. Before you switch, it's crucial to back up your data. We'll walk you through the necessary steps to ensure nothing is lost in the process. The Move to iOS app makes transferring data easy and efficient. Let's see how to use it effectively. You'll want to transfer all of your important information, like contacts, photos, and messages. Here's how to do it effortlessly. Setting up your new iPhone is a fun experience. Follow us as we go through the initial steps together. Understanding the differences between iOS and Android will enhance your experience as a new iPhone user. Here's a quick overview. Now that you're all set up, let's look at some recommended apps to enhance your iPhone experience. Adjustment can be key. Here are some tips to help you navigate the iPhone ecosystem more easily. Embrace your new iPhone experience. With the right tools and knowledge, you're all set to enjoy everything Apple has to offer.